This is how to change your battery on your Ford Smart Key, 3-button. This one's a Focus, but it might fit other models. And the location of your emergency key, so that you can start the car or get under the bonnet. So on this end, you can see a little lever there with an arrow. So fingernail in there, slide that across to the right, and out pops your emergency key blade. So you can use that for opening the bonnet, or you can use it for the battery going flat in the ignition switch. So to get into the key, use this part of the key, pop it in there, twist, key comes apart, there's your battery. Flip the battery out, pop your new one in, key literally just clicks back together, slide that back in there, and that's it, you're done. Battery changed, emergency key. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.